welcome back to Hot Car Track. This is the pre-selection finals of Holdens versus Fords. We have 6 cars and only 4 spots available heading in to the final race. And as luck would have it, there's 3 Holdens and there's 3 Fords. 2 cars, 2 drivers from each team will be heading into the finals. Macy, looking at the cars in front of us, who do you think is going to get through tonight from Team Holden and Team Ford?
Well, mate, tonight I'm anticipating more dominance from Demon Preacher in that GTHO Falcon and James Clement in that Holden Commodore Ute. They've both dominated recently. Let's see what they can do tonight in the prelims.
Okay, let's have a look at our teams and drivers for tonight's race.
Let's put our hands together for finalist number 1 today for Holden. That's Lucas driving the Beyonce Holden Commodore.
Up next for Team Holden in the Rock and Rescue Ute is James Clement.
Up next for Holden driving that number 22 Toll Commodore is IMI.
Both cars and drivers are ready for tonight's pre-selection race. I can't wait to see who comes out and heads into the Holden versus Fords finals.
This one's going to be epic, mate. They're ready to rock and roll. Let's see who moves on through for Team Holden.
There you go, Team Holden, only 2 will go through. And heading off straight away is James Clement and that white Holden Ute. Congratulations.
Great drive there by JK in that Holden Ute. Joining him in the final is IMI in that number 22 Toll Holden Commodore.
And unfortunately, heading home tonight is Lucas driving the 17 Beyonce Holden. Thanks again, mate, for taking part in this competition.
IMI had the Commodore flying tonight. He goes away with the fastest win with a 12.80. We'll see ya in the final.
Yeah, a very tidy time tonight there by IMI. However, I thought James Clement, he was going to get close, but just wasn't his night tonight. Just a note on these scores, they will not be counted towards the total team scores in this competition.
Let's head down the pit lane and check out the drivers for Team Ford. First up tonight for Team Ford is Demon Preacher. He's got the GTHO flying. Good luck tonight.
The second driver for Team Ford tonight is Michael's Diecast Garage in the number 21 BOC Ford Falcon.
Last up tonight for Team Ford is CB driving the number 7 Milk Ford Falcon.
Good luck to Team Ford tonight and the 2 drivers that will be heading through for Team Ford. Cars are on the start gate. Let's get this program underway.
Outstanding driving there once again by Demon Preacher in that GTHO Ford Falcon. He moves on through to the final. Joining him is CB in the number 7 Milk Ford Falcon.
A big thank you to MDG, Michael's Diecast Garage, in the 21 BAC Ford. Thank you for taking part in this competition. Unfortunately, this is the end of the line for you tonight in Holdens versus Fords. Macy, let's have a look at the fastest time tonight.
Once again, Demon Preacher proves that it might be old, but it's not slow. He takes home the fastest time in a 12.40. Great driving.
Yeah, that was an excellent time tonight there, Macy, by Demon Preacher in the GTHO. He's going to be very hard to catch heading into the finals.
It's going to be a restless week of sleep for the Holden and Ford fans. The GTHO Falcon taking on the might of the Holden Commodore Ute. Bring on the final.
Well, congratulations to the drivers from Team Ford and Holden heading into the finals of Holden versus Ford. This has been a wrap on this program tonight. Once again, thank you to Crabster, our sponsor for the competition, Macy from Australian Diecast Racing League for co-hosting the program, and Mark D, our mechanic and engineer on duty. Until next time, we will catch you later.